To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. What am I? I fall from the sky. I am wet. I can make a puddle. Rain. I am rain. I am small. I come in pairs. I cover feet. I'm usually worn with shoes. Socks. I am socks. I am beautiful. I smell nice. You can pick me. I need water to grow. Flower. I am a flower. I am sweet. I am brown. I can be melted. I come in different shapes. Chocolate. I am chocolate. I am a mammal. I am grey. I can swim. I sleep with one eye open. Dolphin. I am a dolphin. I am long. I am used at school. I can measure things. I'm used to draw lines. Ruler. I am a ruler. I am small. I have 2 wheels. You can sit on me. I need to be pedaled to go. Bike. I am a bike. I am big. I have a siren. I have a ladder. I have a fire extinguisher. Fire truck. I am a fire truck. I am long. I'm used at school. You can sharpen me. I'm used to write. Pencil. I am a pencil. I am an animal. I have 4 legs. I have white fur. My coat is used for wool. Sheep. I am a sheep. I am tall. You can climb me. I have many leaves. I need sun and water. Tree. I am a tree. I come out at night. I twinkle bright. There are millions of me. You can see me in the sky. Star. I am a star. I am round. Blow air in me. Don't pop me. You can see me at a party. Balloon. I am a balloon. I am big. I look fluffy. I'm in the sky. I can produce rain or snow. Cloud. I am a cloud. I have wings. I can fly. I'm not an animal. Plane. I am a plane.